You. Hey, with a camera. Come on in. Yeah, come on in. Come on in. Don't be shy. Sit down. Yeah, in the chair. Sit down. Go ahead, sit down. I thought this would be a great time to talk, race fans, because I've been looking at the changes here to NASCAR's schedule, and I've been getting ready to celebrate. I made all this confetti because I was really ready to celebrate some big new changes. Things are going to get really exciting, and there's some big changes, right? I mean, Phoenix is now going to be the second race of the year, and instead of Atlanta, we're going to get a race at Kentucky. And instead of Auto Club Speedway having 2 dates, Kansas is going to have 2 dates. So I've been getting ready the confetti here. Then I started thinking, is there really a lot to celebrate here? I don't think so either. I mean, Phoenix, second race of the year. And no more Atlanta. We get Kentucky. Or Auto Club Speedway is done and Kansas now has 2 dates. I want to celebrate, but the dynamic here, the season is really kind of the same, right? Same number of downforce races, same number of short tracks, same number of plate tracks, same number of road courses, same number in the regular season, same number in the chase. I think there were some big ideas here, potentially big ideas that would have created a lot of excitement. Ending the year at Daytona, where it all started. How cool would that be? Daytona's successful with its July date, obviously. It's a great race. It's got a lot of tradition. But maybe we need to take a little risk and get revolutionary. Give them a third date even. I don't know. Well, maybe not. Anyway, what about ending the year at Las Vegas? Now, I know SMI would love to have that happen, but maybe ISC doesn't want to give up the last race of the year, but maybe it's better for the sport to do it that way. Better still, what about a different chase every year? Unveil the chase schedule, and fans can debate, well, who does it favor? This year we've got a road course in the chase, or this year we've got an extra short track in the chase, or this year the chase starts at Bristol, or this year we got a road course in the chase, or an extra plate race, or it's just so many things you could do with a schedule. Now look, I know it's hard. I listen to Steve O'Donnell, and I know that you've got a lot of stakeholders here that you got to satisfy. You've got fans, obviously. You've got fans in different markets that are used to going to their race at the particular time of year. And you've got sponsors that are used to sponsoring their race at the particular time of year. And track owners and teams, obviously. You've got the weather. You can't race in Kansas in November, right? But even with all that, there were some big ideas, some revolutionary ideas out there that I wish we could have made happen. Maybe it's impossible. And I'm not trying to be too critical of NASCAR here. I know it's a tough job, but doggone it, I was ready to celebrate. I'm kind of underwhelmed.
Rowdy.com. Say it like it is.
Say what like it is?
Rowdy.com.